Why is tablet coating so important? That's the question we'll be unraveling today. Tablet coating, in its simplest definition, is a process that covers tablets with a thin layer of coating material. This coating is not just for aesthetic purposes. It has functional benefits such as masking unpleasant tastes, providing a barrier to protect the drug from the environment, controlling drug release, and enhancing swallowability. One of the most traditional and still widely used methods of tablet coating is sugar coating. This process involves multiple stages, and today, we're going to delve into each one of them. First up is the sealing stage. This step is all about providing a moisture barrier. Materials such as shellac or cellulose derivatives are typically used to seal the tablet core. This layer serves as the base for the subsequent stages and protects the tablet core from the wet coating process. Following sealing, we have the subcoating stage. This phase aims to round off the tablet edges and build up the tablet size. The materials used here are generally dry powders like talc or calcium carbonate, mixed with a binder and a solvent. The result? A smooth, rounded tablet that's easier to coat. Next comes the syrup coating stage. This is where the sugar gets into the sugar coating. A concentrated sugar solution is applied to the tablets. This syrup layer provides the glossy, sweet outer layer that we associate with sugar-coated tablets. Last but certainly not least, we have the polishing stage. This is the final touch to the sugar-coated tablet. A wax, like beeswax or carnauba wax, is applied to give the tablet a high shine, making it more appealing to consumers. Scene 3. Film coating process. As we continue our journey through the world of tablet coatings, let's shift our focus to another popular method, the film coating process. This technique is often applied to high-dose medicaments, providing a unique set of benefits that make it a preferred choice in many scenarios. So what exactly is film coating? Simply put, film coating involves the application of a thin, uniform layer of a polymer onto the tablet. This polymer layer can be composed of a variety of materials, with common examples including hydroxypropyl methylcellulose, polyvinyl alcohol, and ethyl cellulose. These polymers act as the foundation for the film, creating a protective layer that can be tailored to the specific needs of the tablet. But a film coating isn't just made up of polymers. The composition often includes a mix of organic solvents, plasticizers, methyl chloride, and nitrocellulose. These ingredients work together to create a film that's not only robust and protective, but also aesthetically pleasing. Why is this important? Well, film coating not only enhances the appearance of the tablet, making it more appealing to the eye, but it also improves its stability and efficacy. It protects the active ingredient, controls the release of the drug, and can even mask unpleasant tastes or odors. In essence, film coating takes a simple tablet and turns it into a more effective, more consumer-friendly product. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of tablet coatings in our upcoming segments. As we delve deeper into the fascinating world of tablet coatings, it's time to introduce you to enteric coated tablets. You might be wondering, what does enteric mean? Well, in pharmaceutical terms, enteric refers to a coating that acts as a barrier, preventing the dissolution or disintegration of the medication in the gastric environment. This is a game changer, as it can protect the stomach from potentially harmful drugs, shield the drug from the acidic environment of the stomach, or ensure that the drug is released only after it has passed through the stomach. Enteric coatings are typically made up of polymers, much like the film coatings we discussed earlier. However, the specific polymers used are different. Some of the common polymers used for enteric coating include cellulose acetate phthalate, CAP, polyvinyl acetate phthalate, PVAP, hydroxypropyl methylcellulose phthalate, HPMCP, and methacrylic acid copolymer. These polymers are designed to remain intact in the highly acidic environment of the stomach and only start to dissolve once they reach the more neutral pH levels of the intestine. So, why is this important? Enteric coatings are a key player in the pharmaceutical industry, enhancing drug delivery and patient comfort. They can prevent the unpleasant side effects of certain drugs, ensure that the active ingredient is released where it can be most effective, and even improve patient compliance by making medication easier to take. As we continue to explore the world of tablet coatings, we'll uncover even more ways in which these essential components can improve not only the effectiveness of medication, but also the patient experience. Keep watching to learn more. In the world of tablet production, coating plays a significant role. However, the process is not always smooth sailing. There are several common film coating defects that can occur, and today we're going to delve into some of these, as well as how to prevent them. Firstly, we have blistering. This occurs when air is trapped between the tablet and the coating, causing the coating to lift off. To prevent this, it's essential to ensure proper drying conditions. Next up is the orange peel effect. This defect gives the tablet a rough, uneven surface, similar to the texture of an orange peel. This can be avoided by ensuring the coating solution is at the correct viscosity. Then we have hazing. This is a cloudy appearance on the tablet surface, often due to moisture. To prevent hazing, again, ensure proper drying conditions. Dullness is another common defect. This is when the tablet lacks shine or gloss. To avoid this, use appropriate polishing agents in the manufacturing process. Bloom is a whitish appearance on the tablet surface, often due to migration of soluble ingredients. To prevent bloom, ensure a well-formulated coating solution. Mottling is uneven color distribution on the tablet surface. To avoid mottling, ensure uniform spray application during the coating process. Lastly, we have cracking. This is when the coating cracks, often due to stress during drying. To prevent cracking, ensure a gradual drying process. By understanding these common defects and their prevention methods, we can ensure a high-quality, effective film coating process. So, that's it for this episode on film coating defects and their prevention. But stay tuned. We have more fascinating topics to explore in the world of tablet coatings. In the world of tablet coating, the equipment used plays a crucial role. Today, we're going to talk about coating pans and the Dria coater. Firstly, let's look at the standard coating pan. This is the most traditional type of coating pan. It's a simple, rotating drum that tumbles the tablets as the coating is applied. This simple mechanism has been used for years and continues to be a reliable method for many manufacturers. Next, we have the perforated coating pan. This type of pan has perforations that allow air to flow through, improving the drying process and the uniformity of the coating. The perforations aid in the efficient application and drying of the coating, ensuring a smooth and even finish. Lastly, let's delve into the Dria coater. This is a modern, high-efficiency coater that uses a perforated drum and a sophisticated air handling system to achieve fast, uniform, and reproducible coating. The Dria coater is the epitome of modern coating technology, providing unparalleled speed and uniformity in the coating process. Understanding the equipment used in tablet coating can help us appreciate the complexity and precision of this process. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the fascinating world of tablet coatings. As we delve deeper into the world of tablet coating, it's important to look at the future of this fascinating field. With the constant advancements in technology, the tablet coating process is set to undergo significant transformations. For instance, with the rise of nanotechnology, we might see the development of ultra-thin, nano-layered coatings that could potentially improve drug delivery and absorption. Furthermore, the introduction of AI and machine learning could lead to more efficient and precise coating processes, minimizing defects and waste. The use of biodegradable materials for coatings is another promising area of research, which could make the pharmaceutical industry more sustainable. As we move forward, these innovations and many more will undoubtedly revolutionize the way we coat tablets. But no matter how much technology advances, the ultimate goal of tablet coating will always remain the same: to ensure that the medication is delivered safely, efficiently, and effectively to those who need it. So, as we conclude our journey into the world of tablet coatings, remember that this sweet science is not just about giving tablets a shiny, attractive finish, but also about improving the health and well-being of people around the world. End note, thank you for watching The Art of Tablet Coating, a Sweet Science. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Stay tuned.